Mutants, Homo superior. In American comic books published by Marvel Comics, a mutant is a human being that possesses a genetic trait called the X gene. It causes the mutant to develop superhuman powers that manifest at puberty. Human mutants are sometimes referred to as a human subspecies Homo sapiens superior, or simply Homo superior. Mutants are the evolutionary progeny of Homo sapiens, and are generally assumed to be the next stage in human evolution. The accuracy of this is the subject of much debate in the Marvel universe. Unlike Marvel's mutates, which are characters who develop their powers only after exposure to outside stimuli or energies, such as the Hulk, Spider-Man, the Fantastic Four, Absorbing Man and Captain Marvel, mutants have actual genetic mutations. Powers and abilities. Powers. Variable. Other particularities exist within mutants and X gene carriers. Abilities. Variable. Average strength level. Variable. Weaknesses. Variable. Examples include various weapons and technology designed to disable and/or kill mutants, diseases such as the legacy virus or HXN1, and a lack of control over their powers. They can also be affected in deleterious ways by terrigenesis. Please consult this page for more information. Mutant biology. Human mutants have many distinctive traits in regard to biology, physiology, and genetics from other humans. Mutants can have wildly varying biologies depending on the nature of their mutation. Mutation. Mutation is caused by the X gene in the mutant's DNA. Mutations normally manifest themselves during puberty, often as a result of a traumatic event. Some mutants exhibit their mutations at birth, however, while others do not manifest their powers until adulthood. Secondary mutation is a phenomenon in which an existing mutant gains additional powers, or a change in their appearance due to a second mutation. Breeding and crossbreeding. Mutant breeding has notable implications regarding the transmission of the mutant genome or to hybridization with others of human or extraterrestrial species. Mutant classification. The mutants can be divided into multiple categories regarding to their origins, genetic status, powers, e.g. omega-level mutant, etc. Habitat. Earth, primarily on Krakoa, and Mars, now referred to as Arakko. Formerly concentrations at the Jean Grey School for Higher Learning, New York City, Utopia, San Francisco Bay, California, Genosha, Neverland, Canada, Mutant Town, New York. Gravity. 9.80665 meters per square second. Atmosphere. Roughly 78.09% nitrogen, 20.95% oxygen, 0.93% argon, 0.038% carbon dioxide, and small amounts of other gases. Population. The mutant population of Earth 616 has varied greatly, climbing to millions and decreasing to a few hundred individuals. It was less than 200 after M-Day and before the Avengers vs. X-Men. Miscellaneous. Type of government. Individuals and groups among human societies. Independent groups have oligarchic-based governments. Governments created for and governed by mutants themselves. Level of technology. Similar to humans. Advanced Krakoan and mutant technology. Cultural traits. Similar to human culture, yet with a unique subculture, mutant culture. Similar to a Menthian culture. Representatives. Marvel Prime Universe. The Quiet Council of Krakoa, made up of 14 significant, wise, and powerful mutants, including the island of Krakoa speaking for itself with the help of Cypher. The Great Ring of Arakko, made up of 14 intelligent, cunning, and powerful Omega-level mutants, including the island of Arakko speaking for itself, previously with the help of Redroot. Alternate reality versions. Naming. Across the multiverse, many incarnations of mutants exist. The most recorded ones are similar or presumably similar to the Earth 616 mutants with humans, Homo sapiens, sapiens evolving into Homo sapiens superior, commonly called Homo superior, which started with the activation of an X gene in their genome from different sources. In other timelines, they are known as Homo mutantis, the changed man, on Earth 889, or Mutanter, the changing ones, also called witch breed, on Earth 311. On Earth 2301, mutants are called Homo superior, but telepathic mutants are referred to as humans, Homo sapiens, supreme. On Earth 58163, they are called either Homo superior or Homo mutatis. They are also called Homo mutatis in the possible future of Earth 4935. Origin. While in most Marvel universes the X gene was presumably a result of modifications on early man by the Celestials, in the Ultimate Universe the X gene is a creation of the US government weapons project in Canadian facilities. This reality's Wolverine was the first of these mutants and was called the Mutant Zero. This mutation is similar to a virus, infecting the population slowly and turning them into mutants. Genetic settings. Other mutants, such as those from Earth 89149, differed from mutants on Earth 616 in that their X genes are not on the 23rd chromosome but instead on the 13th chromosome. Those mutants weren't affected by M-Day and were invisible to Cerebra's detection, as it was only capable of locating a protein produced on an X gene in the 23rd chromosome. It was stated that it was possible that the 13th chromosome carrying the X gene had been genetically created for the Scouts to stay hidden from devices such as Cerebra, but this statement was considered less possible as the alternate reality origin of those mutants was confirmed. Species. In realities where other species rather than humans, Homo sapiens, ascend as the dominant species, mutants still exist, as most of them are multiversal counterparts to their human alternates. It should also be mentioned that the Acanthe-like Xavier, the Xavier demon, and the giant squid-like Xavier exist, although it is unknown if those Xaviers were exceptions in their home realities. If you want to support me, check out my Patreon at https://www.patreon.com/Kayashin. I tend to polls that decide important plot stuff in my P at Trian. Many thanks to my awesome patrons. Ben Phillips.
If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later, bye bye.